anniversary of Umman Chandy today. Who was Umman Chandy? Chief Minister of Kerala for 2 times and minister for more than 13 times he was minister, UDF convener, and Umman Chandy was MLA for more than 50 years. He believed me. He believed me completely. And Umman Chandy was chief minister. I was a presiding officer, and one Biju of KSCB worked under me had an accident during election duty. And I met chief minister. Even now there is no skull. He cannot speak. He is working. 3 jeep full of army. 3 jeep full of army from Todupuzha went to Kochi Amrita hospital to bring the dead body. Biju is alive. Umman Chandy so far not seen Biju. He believed me. Within 2-3 days, 4-5 lakhs from Umman Chandy, Kerala government company, reached Amrita hospital. Money is also important. Then he called Amrita hospital doctors. So to regain a life, even at his last stage, Nimishapriya, to save the life of Nimishapriya, such an athlete, Umman Chandy. Then, Unnimaya of Cochin College. Her father died in an accident during his journey for labor work, Sadam job, Uli job. And her mother started job. And one day in the evening, Unnimaya and mother got a snake bite, viper bite. Immediately, in the spot, mother died. Unnimaya was at a serious stage in Medical Trust Hospital. And one of my students, Isaac Lekki, Unnimaya, is young. Anyway, I went there, Medical Trust. She was in ICU in a serious condition. And that time was the money problem. That time, only once in a week, 2,000 paisa. So I changed money, and I think I have put more than 50, 60, 70,000. So many helped me. I met the doctors, and I am sure that Umman Chandy will help. And I went to Trivandrum, Jagadi, but Puduppally house. But Mariamma woman was there. She told me, father died, mother died. It is better Unnimaya also died. Anyway, I told her, we are the father and mother of Unnimaya. But my tear was, so I turned my face. Even then I went to Puduppally, I met Umman Chandy. Umman Chandy did everything. Umman Chandy did everything. That is why Unnimaya is alive now. Her शादी हुआ. शादी को जाने के लिए मेरे पास मनी नहीं, क्या करेगा. Anyway, उसको साड़ी देने के लिए, बस के लिए Professor M.C. Joseph, who gave too much money for her treatment, again gave money. And he told me, don't say it is money of principal of Nirmala College, ex-principal. So I gave sari and told Unnimaya and husband, it is the blessing of a principal of, like M.C. Joseph of Nirmala College. It is a blessing. It will save you in the entire life. So 2 lives saved by Umman Chandy. They don't know what Umman Chandy did. That is Umman Chandy. Then, see, results are coming early now. Why? Umman Chandy was behind that. How? And 180 students got result not coming after even after 14 months. So I met Umman Chandy. उम्मन told me एलिफेंट के लिए डिलीवरी के लिए 14 months, यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए 118 स्टूडेंट्स का रिजल्ट के लिए more than that time. उम्मन चांडी then उम्मन चांडी did everything. Anyway, finally filed a case against Umman Chandi, Vice Chancellor, so control of examination, more than 20 opponents. And within hours, the result came, and one Wasida from Cochin side got her result, and she joined MSc the same year. So many saved by Umman Chandi. Result of students. So Umman Chandi told me, more than 4 lakh, 5 lakh students का result के लिए only 3 weeks SSLC and so on. Anyway, did many things. Then Tropical Botanic Garden, now so many are working there. They don't know why that TB Jara is there. Only because of Umman Chandi, P.T. Thomas, A. Kennedy was chief minister. There was chance of closing because no money, nothing. A. Kennedy, chief minister, not getting a ticket to Delhi. So he told me, I met him personally in Cliff House, A. Kennedy. And A. Kennedy gave more than half hour to me. His wife also from my own place, Elizabeth. And I told everything. We can destroy an TB Jara Institute, but it is impossible to start and develop such an institute. Anyway, Anthony, but it was done by P.T. Thomas and Umman Chandi. Otherwise, TB Jara will not be there. TB Jara will not be there. There's so many are working there. See, from the beginning, all are my friends and teachers, directors, Abraham and so on. That is a 400-acre forest land. Anyway, that garden is much above 1878 Lloyd Botanic Garden, Darjeeling, and much above 1787, 1787 Indian Botanic Garden. Indian Botanic Garden, if we are comparing, TB Jara is far above, because it is giving so much benefits, medicines, like trichopas, etc. for the society. So TB Jara, develop it like, so there was chance of developing TB Jara as Central Institute, RGCB. Within few years it developed. Uska first director also my good friend from CCMB, M.R. Das. And uska director Lalji Singh, CCMB Hyderabad. I was with him for one time, Indian Society of Human Genetics. He became the VC of Banaras Hindu University. Another one, V.R. Rao, became director of Anthropological Survey of India. And Bemasai also with us in the committee. He became the vice chancellor of Jammu Kashmir Health University. So more than 50% are medical doctors, and more than 50% are anthropologists, zoologists, botanists, human geneticists in Indian Society of Human Genetics. Similarly, Indian Botanical Society recognized me in 2010 while I was under suspension. Because of a Kalla report, Vyaja report. And again, Indian Association of Angiosperm Taxonomy. So FIAT and FBS, two prestigious awards given by botanists. That is why I am returned to botany also. Basically, I am a human geneticist. My MSc and PhD and more publications are in human genetics. And in Nepal, no scope of human genetics. There is no genetics department at all. There is no human genetics at all. Even then. So this program, autism, after September 17 September, at Pashupati Nagar Ilam, 8 a.m. onwards, Dr. Arav Koshal, Umman Chandi, for Umman Chandi. A hospital with the currency as love. Umman Chandi Memorial Singona Hospital and Autism Care Home. That doctor came there and he treated for, I told him for Umman Chandi 1 hour. He told me I will be there 4 hours. So free treatment for Umman Chandi. I wrote letter to Mariamma Umman, then Achu Umman, and Chandi Umman, Mariam Umman, but if Nepal is having lot of problems. Nepal is having 60 lakh population less than Kerala, but land area is 4 times than Kerala. Lot of resources are there, but about 50 sal piche, we can say about 50 some piche, Nepal. So that is why I am forced to do such an international conference, autism, Downs and other genetic syndromes in such a way. But remember one thing, it is offline and online program. Offline program here, it will be recorded and uploaded. And offline one more program is that is usually during death anniversary, especially first death anniversary, there will be a puja or olimas in church or temple, and after that some sweets, generally vegetarian. So autism care home, I have put forward this idea because I was put in 2 mental hospitals 4 times by Newman College to establish their Vyaja report. That Vyaja report means that also an international conference for 2 days without giving a single paise, Pichala criminal collected all money and made a Vyaja report. Pichala criminal, he is growing. Criminals are growing in Kerala. Pakka criminal made Madananda. Nobody seen that Madananda in that question paper. No court seen that Madananda in question paper. With 13 years of his service, he damaged that human dignity and magnanimity. Pichala criminal. He is growing. Pichala criminal is growing. He is now Vicar, Kalurkad, higher secondary manager. Then, AKCC, Kothagara Diocese director. Tana Pakka criminal. Pichala Katana. He is the, see, Muniam, former Vice Chancellor of Bangalore University, told me, if I am in the place of Stephen, I will go and kill Pichala. Who? A Vice Chancellor from Karnataka. She know only 1/4 of the cruelties of Pichala. Still this criminal is growing. See, criminal Pichala is growing only because of Madate Kandan and Malay Kandan. Madate Kandan Metran, Madate Kandan Bishop. Madate Kandan, quit the post. You have no right to sit as Bishop of Kothagara. Because Salome suicide only because of Madate Kandan. Parabelil Matthew suicide only because of Madate Kandan. Tarun suicide is only because of Madate Kandan Bishop. My pension, my all problems are only because of Madate Kandan Bishop. After 1 year of my retirement, I went to Kanjirapalli to meet Arkel Bishop because of Singona research, his interest. So, retired after, you retired more than 1 year without pension, and how you are living, I will immediately call Madate Kandan. And that is why my pension paper. Madate Kandan Bishop. Bishop Arakel's call is needed for sending my pension paper. Madate Kandan Bishop. Arakel Bishop's call is needed for sending my pension paper. You are the patron. What a patron. Simply living, selling Jesus. And what a lot of Sargati the image on that. What a lot of Sargati the image on Daki Kundrik in the Madate Kandan Bishop. Malay Kandan manager. Malay Kandan was calling daily Singona research is in the rest. What history Malay Kandan studied? What history Malay Kandan taught? Malay Kandan studied the history of Newman and Nirmala. You are the manager of these 2 colleges only because of my father, my grandfather, my great-grandfather. 87 acres freely given to you. In 1953 that college was started. 1964 there was no chance of Newman College. Malay Kandan study the history of Newman and Nirmala first. Malay Kandan. Shame Malay Kandan. Then new Vicar General Vincent Nadangat. He apologized 4 times to me because that Vyaja report. He convinced. That is 14 sal, it is on me, on my head. Remove it. I told the same thing to Madate Kandan. Nedungadan. Nedungadan now Vicar General. Vicar General. He said, the same people killed Jesus is in more cruel form as Madatikandan, Malayakandan, Nedungadan and so on. Shame. Stop selling of Jesus. Anyway, I have to, it is recording because it is an international conference. So I have suggested the autism care home. And I told you 2 offline programs. One in Kathmandu and this in Nepalganj, 600 kilometers away. In Kathmandu, one Malayali sister is looking more than 100 autism downs bacha. More than 100 autism downs bacha. There I gave some money for sweets. The Yeppam Cheruvadam instead of a sweets. I have no money, even then I gave some money. So that program was first death anniversary is going on in Kathmandu in a school with autism and Downs. So that program is, so 4 programs are on first death anniversary. First one in Kathmandu in a autism school, and in Nepalganj my own presentation with some evidences, and it will be published as special issue of our journal. There also you can expect, so this is the 2010 red listed medicinal plants medicinal garden. इसका all paisa lost, complete paisa with the color false bills Pichala collected from UGC. Who told me? Who gave evidences? Bangalore office chief Gopagopal. That Dr. Gopagopal is now in Delhi. At least give the money. Madatikandan, Malayakandan. So these are my journals from so many years, and this the first NAC A grade ka VC Sharigare, he told me university is failing to run a journal. You are running 2 international journals at the same time with 4 issues per year. And these journals also helped our first A grade, second A grade, third grade, and now Newman got 4th A grade. Nirmala got 3 times B grade, and after that A grade got. So I told you the multidisciplinary journal on Syncona special that will come. Anyway, multidisciplinary research and botanical research journal with this photo in the cover page will come soon. Autism and Down syndrome special. Autism Down special journal aayega. Then I am working on botanical research journal also. I am working on ICSSL, that means International Conference of Science, Social Science and Literature. Their first year it was in Footke Barame in Kolkata. Vigneshwari, College Education Director. Now, Kottayam Collector, now Idukki Collector, my collector. So Vigneshwari went to her place, Madurai. So my office near Madurai, that is Virudhunagar. From Virudhunagar to Kolkata for organizing that program, I was first in the waiting list, but not railway people told me you will get. TT came, you will get. But to Calcutta I didn't get because of her journey. That is my gratuity 17 lakhs for getting that. Mera signature is needed by Thodupuzha Treasury Officer. He want to see me. Anyway, Vigneshwari went to her house. That is why that again delayed 20-25 days. So my pension delayed about more than 2 months, 2 years, more than 2 years and 2 months because of College Education Director. Or really College Education Director, Vigneshwari damaged a college professor. How? 2020 November, my pension book is with Vigneshwari. She kept it for 2 years. College Education kept my pension book for 2 years. 5 pension book is there with her. It was revised and so on. And after retirement, Pichala, 24th days, that is 2022 April 24th, he called me from his own mobile. You will never get pension. You will be in jail up to your death. I made warrant from district court. Pichala. District court is sitting, working to give warrant for such a criminal. District court is for giving warrant, or district court as Mudatangi of such a Paka criminal picture. Very shame. That is why I know that warrant was. Why warrant? I gave 2 cents to a ladki, my student. She is still having no house. But with using that lead, and 16-year-old one lead, Betty. That Betty is not born to her husband. Husband ka relatives. Relatives. So such a lady is selling girls. Is bada for Kottayam collector, Idukki judges. Her one Kolani Vedishala was raided for prostitutes from other states. Then Sindhu, Sugunan, Redkar. That lady is better for Muhammad Wasim, Shashikumar PS and Nixon Joseph. What a district judges damaging the courts. I will get LLB in 1988 because I got first admission in open merit first in 1985 in Ernakulam Government Law College. Shashikumar got only after 8 years, that is 1996. So I am senior 8 years in LLB if I joined LLB. So I have to teach 3 district judges and 2 district collectors. District judge Annammare, district judge magistrate അണ്ണികളെ ഞാൻ നിയമം പഠിപ്പിക്കാം. ഈ സിന്ധുവിൻ്റെ വെടിശാല ഇവരുടെ മുമ്പിൽ കൊണ്ടുവെക്കണം, എന്നിട്ട് അവരുടെ കള്ളക്കേസ് ഉണ്ടാകണം. അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? ഞാനൊരു സയൻസ് ടീച്ചറാണല്ലോ, ഐ എം എ സയൻസ് ടീച്ചർ. സോ പ്രാക്ടിക്കൽ വൈസ് ഐ ആം അപ്പീലിംഗ്. Sindhu ka Kolani Vedishala is known. So udhar ek photo also there, PJ Joseph. PJ Joseph ee Vedishalയുടെ കാവൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ സിന്ധുവിൻ്റെ വെടിശാല should be started in the front of the house of Muhammad Wasim, Shashikumar PS, Nixon M. Joseph and District Magistrate Shiba George. Uska घर के सामने. And now Vigneshwari. Shiba, now Vigneshwari also. Vigneshwari ka husband is Ernakulam collector, NSK Umesh. Start a Vedishala of Sindhu. Still it is Vedishala, progressing in my land. What a Kerala. So district judges, district collectors, correct your mistakes. Then PJ Joseph, Sachal, Ukubirat. See, it's an important program. Possibility of Syncona to control COVID-19. 27th November 2020, about 5 years back. It was conducted in Melikavu College. There the MLA was Mani Sikapan, not Vijay Joseph. If I invited Mani Sikapan, Shivani will be an advocate. Her all batchmates became an advocate. Then PC George was very near. He was an MLA that time, very near to Melikavu. Unfortunately, I invited PJ Joseph. He damaged the life of Shivani. There is nothing wrong in doing anything, kissing, except intercourse. 79-year-old MLA to 19-year-old lady. Then second, in midnight, MLA is calling such a lady, Shivani. Then one day he closed the room of outhouse and anyway Shivani was black belt, karate black belt. Pushed MLA and came to me. Please help me. MLA, former education minister. Shivani is saying PJ Joseph deserves minimum 20 years only, the 3 crimes of PJ Joseph to Shivani. MLA P.J. Joseph deserves minimum 20 years for 3 crimes to Shivani itself. That is MLA. And while he was Minister for Education, one teacher got transferred to Kasaragod something. She wanted to come to Torubura. And one of my friends told, PJ just want fucking. Minister, Education Minister want fucking. No others, no money. Only the teacher. How she can ask permission from her husband for fucking by Education Minister, rascal minister. I called Shamsir 3 times, speaker. At least complete the LLB of Shivani. At least complete the LLB of Shivani. Shamsir did nothing. Shamsir studied anthropology in Palayad. There, my friend, Shamsir will be the student of that Anandafanu. Anandafanu ka Professor K.C. Malhotra and so on are my good friends. Shamsir is bacha hai. And 3 ministers. See autism downs uska photos uska that this program is aisa Nepal mein no scope, that is why it is aisa. Uska chromosome ka bare mein everything it is there. You can see the chromosomes, everything in the brochure. It is available in the website also. Then my house was November 14. One more important program. That is diabetes के बारे में international program, diabetes के बारे में international program, diabetes. So diabetes के लिए no medicine today is this के लिए what? So this is the Indian Society of Humanitarian Conference. Last year it was in Visakhapatnam. I went there and I was a member for so many years. And my journals that was started Indian Journal of Botanical Research by Professor Abraham was first article was on Abraham, who started so many educational. Then Indian Journal of Multidisciplinary Research started in 2005. There the first article is on stem cell therapeutics for cardiac repair. Stem cell therapeutics for cardiac repair. Stem cell therapeutics for cardiac repair. So stem cell technique is very important, and at that time Indian President Abdul Kalam inaugurated Science Congress in Hyderabad. He mentioned this article also, the importance of stem cell researchers. Then what is going on in Kerala? Shamsir Vijayan Sadishan. കേരളത്തിൽ ജനാധിപത്യമല്ല ക്രിമിനലാധിപത്യമാണ് നടക്കുന്നത്. हमारा emblem, Kerala government का emblem, there is സത്യമേവ ജയതേ. But now സത്യം മാത്രം ജയിക്കുന്നില്ല. Only criminals are succeeding. Only criminals are succeeding. So better to change it as സത്യമേവ ജയതേ, change it to ക്രിമിനലുകളേവ ജയതേ. ക്രിമിനലുകളേവ ജയതേ. Kerala. See, ministers Bindu, Roshi Augustine and Anthony Raju called me on 2nd November 2022. MLA Uma Thomas and MM Mani called me. Minister Bindu called me by video call to save my house, to save my life, to get pension. But what happened? After 43 days, my Wagaman house e-auction for just due 2 lakhs. I didn't went to that bank. Nothing is there. Nothing I signed there. When OBC took by PNB, I went there. I don't want to continue. This is a violation of fundamental rights. This is a violation of fundamental rights. I have the right to take loan. If I want a loan from you, I can take. If I don't want, that is the fundamental right. It is a violation of fundamental right. So, here I have written, if I am the Chief Minister of Kerala, definitely put Bijumal and PNB Biju in jail. Put PNB Biju. because the 47 lakhs was passed by AG, then why e-auction of making a professor houseless? What is the purpose of government? Education, etc. Primary needs, food, shelter and so on. So here, these two criminals, Bijumol and PNB Biju, did such a crime. They should be in jail. Then Torura police, ASI Anandaraj, Kalla Pokso, you will be in jail. Your photo will be in the first page. Otherwise, give me 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs, 40 lakhs. Moreover, ഭാര്യയെ കളിക്കാനും തരണം. ഭാര്യയെ കളിക്കാനും തരണം. അവനാണ് ആനന്ദരാജ്. ആനന്ദരാജ്. ഒരു പേരിട്ടത് കൊള്ളാം. ആനന്ദരാജ്. PJ ജോസഫ്. ആനന്ദരാജ്. പിന്നെ സുധീർ മനോഹർ. He asked only 10 lakhs. Kalla Pokso. Pokso is to attack professors. District court is to damage. If that Sindhu is telling anything, nobody will mind. If police is doing, nobody will. But Shashi Kumar, District Judge, Nixon, Shashi Judge, then Muhammad Wasi. See, bail mein, anticipatory bail mein 7 pages full of Kalla case. My properties are attached by district court. So courts are doing injustice. Family court damaged my life, my family. Family court damaged my family. District court damaged everything. Why pakka criminal pichalas moodadangal. District judges, you are appointed as district judges and not moodadangi of pakka criminal pichala. Shiba yes. Then Vigneshwari, yes, you are appointed as DC and collectors not for Mududangal of criminal Pichala. Criminal Pichala can do anything, but you are district collector, district magistrate. So Vigneshwari should correct everything. You cannot regain the life of Salome. You cannot regain the life of Paravelil's Matthew. You cannot return the life of Tarun. But you can do something. Vigneshwari, correct your mistakes. Then old people like the 2010, that damager of higher education, he is still growing. Vice Chancellor of Mahatma Gandhi University, Kurikkal appointed Sinsi. Sinsi now became principal of Ulur College. So Vyaja professor became Vyaja principal of Ulur College. Shame Kerala, shame. So remove such old admis, old criminals, Pichala criminals, Mudatangal, stop Mudatangal. So autism care home is a Naya idea, what I put, and that is working in Nepal. So that should be in Kerala also. In all mental hospitals in Kerala should be raided immediately. So those with autism and Downs should be released, and they should be in autism care homes like Kathmandu autism care home. So autism, Downs and all other aspects. So I am a human geneticist for last 39 years. I am happy to present this paper on first death anniversary, and it will be published as special issues of Botanical Journal as well as Multidisciplinary Journal with this photo in the cover. That will be informative for everybody, and this will be uploaded in YouTube of CMRA and in the website also. And offline program 1 in Kathmandu, that is first death anniversary ka sweets to autism Downs bacha. This one online program that will be uploaded, and it will be published as journals also. So Woman Chandi like Yadmi, if Woman Chandi was alive, nobody will dare to auction my house. Nobody will dare to auction my house. Woman Chandi will not allow. I will my surgery, one surgery was delayed, right side surgery delayed 19 months, left side surgery is delayed. If Woman Chandi is alive, it will not be prolonged like that. If Woman Chandi is alive. So with Woman Chandi, I want to write a book. I am planning to write a book on my personal relations with Woman Chandi. it will be a better volume because we have a lot of, say, once Umanjandi was calling me sir, I told, please call me Stephen only. And Umanjandi told me, you are calling me a sir. I am not a sir. Even then, you are a professor. You are a professor. So, what I can say? Sir, beta aadmi mujhe sir calling, I have some difficulty. But Manjandi told me, I am not a sir. You are calling me as a sir. You are really a sir. That is Manjandi. So, Manjandi, actually, I died 2 years back to you in Kolkata. I am sure that you are not at all aware about that. My oxygen level was below 60 for 3 days. Even now I am living. So Manjandi is Manjandi. Nobody can be equal to Manjandi. So Manjandi's dreams that we have to fulfill. As a scientist, as a tribute, I did such a program, that is autism, Downs and other genetic disorders, because Manjandi gave a lot of priority for such gifted children. So thank you for everybody. Thank you.